All right, welcome to the AI Breakfast Club. Today we're taking on a project with our book that we wrote called The Seven Secrets of Video Marketing. We're going to dissect it and we're going to show you how you could dissect and segment this out into courses and social media marketing and videos and images where you could get people engaged in the book that you wrote. And in addition to that, we're going to have probably some other boot camps later, or maybe even that we do a breakfast lab with it, where we'll show you how you can get published for free. Yeah, that's right. Really easy. You just upload your PDF manuscript, and it's simple. So you can get published on Amazon as well as hardbound covers books, right? Where you people can they'll drop ship it for you, and you don't have to print it. It's like print on demand, right? We have all those tools for you. We've done all the due diligence. We know what tools you can use to write your books. All right. So let's go ahead and get to working. I know these guys are probably already working on their social media and everything else that they have. So you guys don't have a problem copying the text in the PDF. It's okay. You guys are good with that? Yes? Or
It's
you can.
in fact, I was okay to copy it. It's not uploading it into the app, the Wow app.
Okay. Yeah. Put it, use, what you want to do is do you have the access to the AI Genius?
I do not.
Okay. All right. James, would you direct message her some access to that so she can go in and get,
Yeah, you bet.
okay,
Sure.
good. That way she can do the 30 days of social media because you can upload a PDF to the 30 days of social media also. Okay.
You got it. You got
Okay.
it.
Cool. Awesome. All right, so let me get here and all right, so this is the platform I'm going to be using today. So we have the book, obvious. So let's go ahead and go into the first place I want to do is I want to go into these are our website tools. So this is a new tool. Some of you haven't seen this yet. Those of you that are familiar with this. So I want to make sure I'm logged into the right account. Yes, I am. So I want to go into the website tools. Is redo this so I could get my access to that. Let's just type in domain. There it is. It's called the Genius AI Domain Research Tool. This is really cool. So, sometimes you want to come up with a perfect domain, but why not have AI do the work for you, right? So I'm just going to type in, obviously, seven secrets, and you can put commas here. So let's go seven secrets. Let's do a video, obviously, maybe do a ninja, maybe do vault, right? Maybe do, let's say maybe tips, right? Okay, so I'm going to have it do a search. So you click on search and you could choose like any style, like classic or professional, modern or fun or quirky or abstract or unique or short, and memorable. All right, so let's seek it, let's try to find something short and memorable. And then we can say up to 3 words is fine. And you could actually click on, include legible misspellings and abbreviations if you want to. I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to say, hey, look for me. So it takes a minute or so because we need to buy a domain, right? So I'm going to buy a domain right here with you guys for this on in this lab while these guys are working on the content. And you're going to see how fast this goes, guys. I mean, within 10 minutes, we'll probably have all the social media that we need, the press release, maybe 12 minutes, 15 minutes, we'll have everything. So here's some ideas here. You see this? So secret tip seven tips vault, tips video group, video ninja.world. Don't see anything I like ninja seven secrets. Let's try some more. Let's see here. Tips, video secrets. You can generate more. You can generate as much as you want. You can go back and you can change the keywords, right? What you're looking for. You want the perfect domain that's easy for people to remember. It comes out easy on the radio voice. It comes out easy on audio. It comes out easy on the phone, right? The Vault Video Secrets, Secrets Vault, Ninja Vault Secrets. Let's see here. All right, getting closer. Seven secrets. All right, Vault Video Secrets. Let's look at some more. Uh, tips, Ninja. See here, Ninja Video. See here, get some more. I may fine tune the search a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. secrets. All right, let's change this a little bit. Let's go to video vault. Spell that right. And let's generate some more. And I got rid of the 7, so let's see what we can come up with here. Good news is this is a platform with over 50 apps in it. Video Ninja Vault. Okay, that looks good. Video Tips Hub. Um, video, see some more. Okay. How's it coming on your work, guys? You want to show any of that while I'm looking for this?
Not right now. I'm working on getting another active account at the moment.
Okay.
Just take a minute here.
Yep. You got it. This is how we've come up with some of our great brand names, right? And we can start here, and then you can go to the business registration and get your business registered, right? So Video Ninja Pro, there it is. That's it right there. How do you guys like that, James? Video Ninja Pro?
Love it.
All right, that's it. Let's go ahead and buy it right now. So I'm going to buy that. Say yes. Now, there's a couple benefits of buying domains in our platform. Yes, I know I could probably buy it on GoDaddy cheaper, but you know what? It requires a lot of techie stuff. With this, if I buy the domain right in here, which would give you a good deal, okay? Because the deal is now you don't have to worry about DNS settings or anything, okay? It's really, really simple. So now what I'm going to do, while these guys are working on it, I told you we're going to move fast. So we're going to go to our website tools, and we're going to go to our AEO website builder. So this is a complete website builder right in the platform. And I'm going to create a new funnel down here, or a new website. And I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it 7 Secrets for now. I can always change it later. Video marketing. Okay, excellent. So let's go to next. Now I can choose a template. So I'm going to choose a template that is, let's see here. Yeah, let's just choose this one. I like this one a lot. So we'll just choose this. Now the AI platform is going to generate the template for me. Now I can go in and change it. I can add a logo to it. I'll even design a logo here for you guys right now. So here it is right here. So here is the 7 Secrets template. Let's add a domain. Let's connect the domain. I'll show you how easy it is. So I just go down here, and there it is, Video Ninja. And look at this button right here. See that button? I'll make it real big so you can see it. See where it says, "Do it for me." I love it. So AI platform is going to do it for us. We don't have to worry about calling our web guys or tech guys or waiting for propagation or all that crap you have to wait for websites. And you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to build a website anymore, because this website that we're going to build in here, by the way, is automatically ranked in ChatGPT. So if you would put in the chat, put a 1 in the chat if you would like your business to be found by ChatGPT. In other words, if you haven't noticed, search engine volume is changing, okay? People are talking into their phones. They're talking into their computers. Look, if you haven't even noticed, Google searches now give you an AI summary, right? When you type something into Google. ChatGPT is there also for search. They launched a search app. So it's changing. The world is changing. So if you would like ChatGPT to refer you business, put a 1 in the chat. That's what this tool does. Okay, so you can see right here. This is the LLMS.txt file. You guys see that? It's real. I'm making it big for you. See? The LLMS.txt file is only 2 months old. It's brand new. Not any other web platform, not WordPress, not Shopify, not Wix, not ClickFunnels, not Go High Level. None of the platforms in the marketplace have this .txt file. What used to be with websites is, in order for Google to find you, you have to have a robot.txt file. And that's what this is right here. The robot.txt file. That's a robot that is put in the back of your website. We do it for you automatically. You don't have to do anything. When the robot.txt file is put in the platform, it allows Google to find it, because they send a bot to sites to check how relevant are. They're looking for your experience. They're looking for your expertise. They're looking for your, your credibility. They're looking for your content and your map flow. And the only way they can read your website is through the robot.txt file so they can see what the website's about. And then the site, they also look at the site map. Google looks at the site map, which that's important because then they can see what your site is about. Your products page, your contact page, your about us page, your blogs. You understand? But what's new is the view LLM.txt file is about 2, maybe 3 months old. It's industry specific. All the AI platforms, including ChatGPT, OpenAI, all the big platforms, okay, what they've done is they said, okay, we have all these bots and we want to deliver a good result to search, right? So what they've done is say, in order for companies to connect to our search volume, right? Like ChatGPT or Perplexity or any of the other platforms. In order for that to happen, they have to have a .txt file on we have to have a .txt file on our site. And that .txt file is the LLMS.txt file. I tell you what, throughout Nashville and Tennessee, there may be 2 people, maybe 1, that has this on their website when it comes to all businesses. And I'm looking to change that. In Texas, I guarantee you there's not a lot of people that have this on their website. And where Suzanne's at, in Pensacola Beach, I guarantee you there's not a lot of people. Very low percentage of businesses have this on their website. So what does that present? A great opportunity, if you ask me. That's what that represents, right? Let's go help businesses get educated in knowledge. So that's why we launched the Brekfast Lab, the AI Brekfast Lab, so we could show people that. All right. So let's click on done for me. These guys may be working a little bit. So let me get this done for me. See, I just click it. The domain is updated. Hit save. Now I want you to look down here too as well. I have an email associated with my account, and I want to be notified if somebody fills out a form on that site and downloads my book. Let me show you how easy that is. I click one button. Boom. And then I hit save. So now when somebody fills out a form on my website, I'm going to get a notification on my email. How cool is that? Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? So it's already connected. Now let's go in and let's build the funnel. And I'm going to take a break. Any of you guys ready at all to show anything, or are you working still? James or Suzanne? Yes?
Yeah, sorry about that. I had to hop back over. It's yes, I'm finished. I was just adding some other stuff to it to kind of push it a little bit and see what else it can do. And
great.
Yeah.
Awesome. So
do you want me to show it?
What are you using? The WoW app?
I did I did the WoW app. That's where I was because I love that app and it does everything. Cool. And but then I went and tried out the 30-day social media genius, and so I'm having it do it in there. Cool.
So here's the template right here, right? And by the way, it's always going to be mobile friendly, right? It's really easy to do. If you could do PowerPoint or, Word documents, then you could build this website. There's no techie, nothing techie about it. Okay. So you see the plus sign. I want to add a block. Think of this like Legos. Okay. You're building a block, or you're building a slide like a PowerPoint slide. So I just want to add a component right here, and I'm going to add a wide component. So I'm going to put this as just an image. So I'm going to put one column, and then I'm going to add a component, and you can see I'm going to add an image here. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. It's a little bit big for me right now, but I want you to be able to see it. So there's the image, and I want that to be on the top. Okay. So let's go here. Let's push that down. There you go. And then I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to put my logo at the top, but we need to design a logo. So let's design a logo. How about that? How you doing there, Suzanne? Good? Yep. Okay. Just let me know.
It's finished.
It's finished? Okay. So I'm going to design
videos creating, and then what was the other 2 things you asked me to do, Ed?
About 10 images for social media.
Okay,
Yep. Go
got
ahead.
it. All right.
Let me give you Suzanne a permission. Can you share your screen, or do I need to give you
I
access?
sure can. Let's see here.
And
Share.
explain
Let's see,
like,
spin twice.
yep, there you go. Do me a favor, explain the context of what you did and everything to them and for your output and what you're doing. You could even work it a little bit more if you want to pull some content from it. Okay. All right.
Sure. Okay. So, can everybody see my screen okay?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so I went into the AI Genius and I went into the 30 days of social media. I didn't even put a website in. I did have trouble loading the PDF, so all I did was copy and paste it, excuse me, in this. So the reason I'm pointing that out is there's always workarounds that you can do. So I just basically gave it a super simple prompt and asked it to come from an emotional standpoint and position the book, Seven Steps, Seven Secrets to Video Marketing, as the answer and the solution, and then a call to action. So it did, excuse me, 30 days of the post with trending hashtags, which you can add or change if you want, and as well as a call to action and where to go find eds. Super simple. And it did 30 days. And then the pretty cool thing here is I went into this little box right here and I said, hey, can you create like a couple of images to go with this? I think I asked it for 5. Let's see, it did oh, I don't know what I did there. Sorry, I didn't mean to move my screen. Let me move it back over. I don't know how I did that, y'all. Okay. And so it gave me 3 images down here, and you can change them, you can download them, you can do whatever you want with them. But it's a very interactive app and very fast. So, yeah, here we
Awesome.
go. I got to
Those will
figure
make
out why that's.
those will make like really good uh YouTube thumbnails too, right? So
Mhm.
or background, or maybe I could even use some of those for the background of the website too, right? Look at the play button on that one. That looks really cool on all of them, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Those are awesome. So you could use those for social posts or whatever, right? Yeah, perfect, perfect. Yeah, yeah. Really gets your attention, you know? Yeah.
very,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. The reason it does because she gave it a lot of context, right? She could keep going to here and ask it, create a photo, like she said, why don't you do this? Create a photo realistic image, like a real photo image of a YouTube boot camp with the American flag and other international flags present in the background with, people taking photos and pictures and maybe put some robots in there. I don't know, just something kind of cool, right? So the good news is you don't have to know how to prompt. You can just speak naturally into this or just write naturally, right? And since she's already working with with this particular app, it has a memory of all the social posts that it put together. It has a memory of what she's asking it. So she's working with the memory of this, right, to help her get the output.
And that video is ready.
Okay, great. Why don't we let him share that video? This is going to be like a video for like a trailer for the course or for the
Okay.
book. Okay, good. Show us to that real quick.
It's not letting me share the sound. You may need to
Okay, let's go here.
change the settings.
Let's see here. Go to share options, share advanced settings. Okay, why don't you try it now? Not sure if you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that did it.
Okay.
All right, it says it's loading. I'm out here in the boondocks, so sometimes my internet gets a little um weird. Well, let's come back to this after my internet decides it wants to load.
Okay, you have results for you, Suzanne?
It's
You
taking me
want
forever to find my audio button. Sorry about that.
That's okay. All right, you
Oh,
can stop
good.
sharing, James, if you would.
Oh, okay. Oh, here
Imagine
I've got it.
stepping into
Oh,
a
okay, got it.
Actually,
Okay, okay, you got it. Good.
yeah, sorry, it's internet issue. Here we go.
Imagine stepping into a bustling city where your video has the power to stand out and captivate. Instantly grab attention with a scene that sets the tone, be it humorous, shocking, or serious. In mere moments, reveal your core message. What irresistible offer do you bring to the table? Address the problem head-on, striking at the heart of what your audience wishes to solve. Present your groundbreaking solution, your product or service that meets their deepest needs. Invite them to take immediate action with an unmissable offer or exclusive coupon. Sweeten the deal with a free bonus like an ebook or special gift that they're dying to have. Reiterate your call to action with urgency. Your limited time offer is too good to miss. Harness the power of emotional desire, turning curiosity into an irresistible need to know more. Don't just inform, create an experience that lingers long after your video ends.
There we go.
All
Not
right.
bad for first draft.
Yeah, first draft. And you show them how you could go in and edit that, if you would.
Yeah, so this is so easy to edit. I actually have 5-year-old kids using this video creation tool. You just click this. Actually, I'm going to blow this up here where you can see it a little bit better. This button right here under edit, and then it's going to open your video in this display, and you can come in here. You can change wording in here if you want to, or so for example, you just type in here like typing in a Word document, and put an exclamation mark on this. If you like this image, I encourage you to click download, save it for later. The system uses special algorithms that'll never create the same image again for anyone else. It might suggest it to you again later for something because it's yours. You have full license to use it anywhere. If you don't like an image, you can just click this little regenerate button right here. I'll blow this up where you can see it a little bit better, but regenerate. Or you can upload an image as well. So if you wanted to upload an image or a small video, you could go in here and you could do just that. So I'm not going to, technically upload this, but I'll just show you that's how you would upload it. You'll see it'll pop in there in just a moment or two. You can actually move scenes around. So if you wanted this scene above that one, you just drag it up there, put it above it. Or you want this one below, you can drag it down, put it below. If you want, you can add more scenes. So you can just click here, add a scene, and type in whatever you want to here. And you can click generate to generate that image. It'll generate an image based on whatever you happen to type in here. So sometimes I'll like to add a stronger call to action. Click the link to join today, or click the link to get your free book today. Those types of things. So it's just so super simple to actually edit this. Like I said, I have 5-year-old kids who are creating videos, really cool videos. Look, this is the little video clip I just added in here. It gives it a little bit more motion, and these are all created on our system as well. I just started out, I created actually a still image of this safe, and then I told our system to animate that safe opening up with lots of gold and diamonds stacked in it. So that's the most simple. I'm an old East Texas boy. If I can use this thing, anybody can use this system and be successful with it. So with that, Ed, I'll turn it back over to you, my friend.
Here. And let's go ahead and share my screen or share my video. Yes, so I made the logo. I like fun logos, right? Because video is fun, right? So it is a ninja. So I said, hey, let's do a ninja. I like this one. What do you guys think of this? So this is good. Now I could, it looks really, really good. So I could just, what I did is I removed the background. Okay. So let me show you how I did that. It gave me a couple options here. See, so there's a couple here, Video Ninja, Video Ninja Pro. And I kind of like this one a little bit because it's kind of this way, right? And if I want to edit it, I can, but it's spelled everything right. I love it. So I just go here and I can just say, hey, I want you to remove the background for me. So it removes the background. So you don't have to pay someone to do that for you now. I mean, a graphic artist, or you don't have to have Photoshop or nothing. You don't even need Canva. I mean, you got to go through steps to make it work in Canva. Here, you click one button and it removes the background for you. And you can copy it or you can download it. I'm going to download it. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right into the platform here. So I'm going to go right here to the domain. Let's go back to AEO funnels. All right, so this will be done really shortly. So I'm going to show you guys how this is done. All right, so I already have the PDF, so I could put that back behind it. The domain is already connected. So let's go ahead and add a block here, like I did before, and we're gonna do a wide block, and we're gonna set it as an image. So we're gonna let it as an image, and then we're gonna go here. We're gonna upload the image. So what I like to do, I just downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go right here to my screen. Wait till it pulls it up, and there it is right there. Just go down a little bit more till I can find it. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, this is download information. Okay, where are you? Download. Okay. Sometimes my system is having problems with this, so let me just double check. Let me open it right here. All right, so let's go ahead and go to here and excellent. Wow, that's crazy. Sometimes it's not popping up. Suzanne, have you ever have that happen to you? Like,
Yeah.
You have
Yeah, it's really weird.
you
I
have
have
a
a Mac.
you have a Mac. Why is it been recently doing that to you?
No, I have to go out of it and then come back in again. So usually I just close it and then open it back up again. It's almost like it takes it a minute to show up in there.
Okay, let's just try it again. So maybe I just need to copy it and look for it. So it was my downloads, and it was
I save a lot of mine to my desktop, which is probably not the best idea, but
yeah. Let's just upload it here. Actually, let's try this. Let's try this again. Okay, there it goes. I think I saw it now. So I just got to look for the one that's highlighted, right? There it is. There it is. Okay, good. Now I just drag that and I'll put it right there. Sorry, that took just a few minutes. All right, and we'll just double click. All right, now let's take this image and let's move it up to the top. Okay, let's move this down here. Good. Now let's change the size of this to maybe 250. Okay, very good. Now I'm gonna change the background here to, I don't want to use gray, so I'm gonna use the background color as white. Excellent. Okay. All right, so that's done. All right, so I'm just gonna change this to download the book now. All right. All right, excellent, excellent. Let's get rid of this here. Let's get rid of this section. Don't need that. We'll do a nice call to action there. Change the background color. Excellent. And then we'll take this, we'll put a video here to James's video. All right. So we'll change that background to white. Excellent. All right. What else do you have, Suzanne? Do you have any other content here? Any besides the images.
I got that YouTube thumbnail if you want to take a look at it real quick.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, let me go in here and let's generate some,
I've got some images whenever you're ready to see some images too.
yeah, I need some content. So let's get some content. Let's go to
Okay.
writing
I'll work on
tools. Yeah, I need some magic hooks. So let's go to, here, let me go into another platform. I could do that real quick. This tool is a great tool. This is on Course Buddy, one of our other platforms. So let me go into here, and I'm gonna generate some really quick stuff here. I'm gonna show you guys here. This is our Course Buddy Idea Buddy. So the Idea Buddy is really great. So let's just put the information in about it. Suzanne, if you would put, can you copy some text in there for me in the chat about the 7 secrets?
Yes.
All right. Excellent. And I'm just going to put a little bit of information here about the Idea Buddy. Okay. And it's going to generate some compelling headlines and some different angle headlines, some funny headlines, some attention grabbing scripts. Okay. So let's just get some initial content in here. Seven secrets. There we go. I'm just going to copy what she put in there. Excellent. Paste that right in there. And I'm going to obviously do English. So let's generate the results. This takes less than a minute.
I actually want to brag on this. I had to convert a ebook into Vietnamese, and your tool was able to do that. So I had to do that the other day. I just wanted to share that it actually works.
Awesome. So see how I came up with some compelling, right? All right, headlines, some different angle headlines, some funny headlines. Your first impression now with 100% more enthrallment. Engaging intros because boring ones just won't do. There you go. Unlock the secret to intros that don't snore. I like that one. That's a good one. Okay, let's just be funny and use that one, right? In other words, it doesn't put someone to sleep, right? All right. And then we'll just use that right there as a line. Actually, let's just get this and let's get rid of the. Let's just put it in here. Okay, I'll go ahead and make that bold, right? Okay, so a video. Yeah, we'll talk about video marketing here. Now let's just go to down here. Let's say, let's see if we've got something a little bit better. See here, hook from below, transform your interest. See here. This is really good. Right here, transform your video intros. So I'm going to use that. So people know exactly what we do, what our book does, right? So transform your video intros into captivating experience that tap in deep into emotional desires, leaving your audience eager to engage and learn more. Love it. All right, now let's do something here. Let's do a column and let's add a component, and then we're going to add a some subtext. Let's look at the size of this text here. This is going to be 32. So let's make this 32. Okay, and then we're going to say, watch this video to learn more. Okay, good. All right. And then we're going to say, we're going to change that to red or orange. Then we're going to change that to download the book. Download the book now. Okay. Excellent. And then, good. So download the book now. Watch this video. Make that bold. And James, we have that video. I'm sure you were editing it a little bit.
Yeah, I can put it in the chat box for you.
Okay. Did you edit? Did you
All right.
edit it a little bit, or
I didn't get much editing done. I was creating some of the images for us, but we can post it now and then I can edit it for later.
good? Send me the script that it did in the chat. I want to show these guys something else here.
Okay. Hang on here just a minute. Pull up here.
And I'm going to add a video down here. Matter of fact,
So it doesn't let you just download the final script, but I can send you what I uploaded into it to get the script.
that's okay. I'm going to use this idea. Buddy came up with a fictional story. I'm going to use that right now
Okay.
to
Oh,
show
that's
them
fine.
this. Okay.
Sure.
All right. So let me get into here and here, and let's go into this is a new tool. This is our author lab. This is what's coming with the AI Genius Club. You can see there's a creator lab and an author lab. So I'm going to do an audio book, and I'm going to generate the actual script. Okay. So we're going to call this, 7 secrets. You could do full audio books here. Okay. So let's just paste the story in here. Okay. And then we're going to call this Emily. And we're going to do English, and we're going to do Brian. And we're going to just put a little description in here. And let's just, yep. The power. Here, let's just go here. Power of video is amazing. As a matter of fact, we always say video never sleeps. The call to action that's most popular, or the greatest call to action button on the internet, is the play button. Start creating impactful videos by downloading our book today. Okay. The power of video is amazing. The power of video is amazing. Let's just say video never sleeps. Video, the play button. Let's just do that here, the play button. Okay. The play button is is the most popular call to action button on the internet. Yeah. Start. Okay, let's make sure that looks good. Okay. Matter of fact, let's take this, copy that, and let's go into Course Buddy, and let's go into our writing tools. And let's go into our grammar checker. Yeah, look at this, man. You don't got to go to Grammarly, man. I'm just going to put it right here. Oh, I just love it, love it, love it. All right, so I go, let's make it professional. And let's check the grammar, and let's just generate the results. So it's going to correct the grammar a little bit here for me. Make sure I didn't spell anything wrong. Make sure everything looks good and flows, right? So this takes about 15 seconds, right? So whatever, there you go. Boom, here it is. It tells me exactly what it did. Grammar, spelling. It was text was meticulously reviewed for grammar and spelling errors. It checked transition and everything here, right? Boom. So I trust it because I know I built the app. So let's go right here. Now let's go into the AI Genius Club. We're going to paste that right there. Now that we got it, perfect. And then I'm going to say, okay, now I want you to generate the ebook for me. Watch how fast this is. I'm going to generate the ebook for me. It's going to be audio. It's going to read every single word right now. What can I do with this audio? I could take this and I could make a quick little video. So here it is right here. Watch.
Emily had long faced challenges in sustaining her audience's engagement beyond the first minute of her videos. Disheartened by the low interaction, she made the strategic decision to hone her skills in crafting compelling introductions. By infusing her intros with emotionally engaging elements that sparked curiosity, she observed a remarkable transformation. Her latest video began with a captivating statement that captured and held viewers' attention immediately. The comments section buzzed with enthusiasm, and her viewership soared. New subscribers lauded her distinct style, eagerly awaiting future content. Emily experienced a profound sense of pride and empowerment, recognizing that her introductions now served as a powerful draw for her content. This evolution not only bolstered her confidence as a creator, but also deepened her connection with her audience, underscoring the enduring impact of an engaging introduction. Video never rests. The play button is the most popular call to action on the internet. Begin making impactful videos by downloading our book today.
Perfect. That's a great little overview video. We could make a great video, right? Don't you think, James?
I absolutely love it. Hey, let me share. It would be okay if I share some of the images that I created for the
Yes.
site and how we did that?
Yes. While you're
All
doing
right.
that, I'm gonna take that audio and make a quick little video and show them how you could do that. So go ahead, James. Take it over. Show them.
Okay. So I actually used the Wow app to create the images. And basically what I did was I pasted some text from the overview of the book in here, and I told Wow to create 10 of the top topics on this particular book. And then as I went through this, I had it create an overview of the types or an explanation of the types of video images that it should make. And so here it said, urban symphony, a bustling New York City street with a standout bright video screen. And I went through all 10 of them. And so for number one, well, that's exactly what it created, is a bustling city with a standout bright video screen. And then storyteller's canvas, an unfolding film strip filling with vibrant scenes. And so, look, this is exactly what it created. I did this with the Wow app. I didn't use it with any of the image tools. I just had the Wow app do it. Number three, time stands still, a horizontal hourglass with many video screens in it. So here it made, that's just an incredible image that could be used. And I won't read every one of them, but it told it to create floating heads showing various emotions. This one was number 6. Let's see what number 6 was. Number 6 is transcending the ordinary, split screen, mundane to vibrant to video graphic. 7 is audience enraptured, diverse faces illuminated by glowing screen. So you look here, number 7, sure enough. This is number 7 right here. And then number 8, this is a symphony. Obviously, he's a conductor. And number 10. So it actually created some really vibrant images just based on the content itself that you could use in the system. And I did all that, like I said, with the Wow app. This system is just incredible.
Awesome. All right. Do you have anything as well?
Susan, you'd like to share?
Yeah, sure. Let me pull it up real quick, make sure I'm in the right spot before I share. I'm a huge fan of the Wow app. That is my 100% go-to. I just really love it. There's nothing that app can't do, y'all. And okay, now I'm ready to share. Okay. So I had it just create thumbnails based on a boot camp. Excuse me. For this, gave it another prompt and had it go again. I really like this one. I thought that was much better. It's got the robots kind of having fun back there, like wee up in the air playing, and people who look happy. And then I had it create. So this is all in the social media app. Sorry, let me back up. This was the 30-day social media app. But because I've been interacting with it and it's getting to know me and what I'm trying to do on this project, I just keep rolling with it until it tells me it can't do something, which I haven't ran into yet. And so then I had it write a descriptive paragraph that appeals emotionally to this boot camp that's going to happen. And so then it wrote me a paragraph and excuse me. And let's see, what else did I have on that input? I thought I had something else. Yeah, and I wanted it to specify that this is high touch with high tech, because I think a lot of people feel like they love the tech and then they get left behind because they're like, wait, I don't know how to do that. But Ed and James are really brilliant at the high touch, and so that's important to me to showcase that. So I wanted that to be mentioned in there.
Hey, we appreciate the compliment so much. Thank you. Yeah, that's what we do, right? That's why we have these these great little meetings every single week and every single day. So every day is going to be different, guys. We're not going to be, it's not going to be a cookie cutter type of breakfast, right? We're going to be doing different things. Today we're dissecting a book, as you can see, right? So that's the whole idea behind this, is just to dissect it and to get it, because a lot of authors out there, they write books, right? But they have trouble getting it sold, right? So in order to get it sold, I will say this: you have to put a lot of effort into all the content marketing. If you don't, you're just going to be like an empty, what I say, like a pool, outdoor pool in the middle of winter in Alaska. Nobody's going to show up. It's going to be frozen. You understand? So in order to solve that problem, what you have to do is you got to produce a lot of content. I'm not talking one post a day. I'm not talking two posts a day. I'm not talking one Facebook post a day. I'm talking massive content. Think of yourself like you're producing a Hollywood movie and that millions of people are going to watch it. Start with a big goal in mind. Now, tell me, if that was the case, how much content would you do? And do you even have the capacity to do it? Well, with AI, guess what? You can. I mean, Suzanne probably could do another 30 days of social media and ask it to create more. And you could do it in any language: Spanish, French, English, whatever language you want, social media. So there's all kinds of cool stuff you could do, right? So James, is that a finished video?
Yeah, that's the finished one for now, and then I can update it a little bit more later if you like.
Okay, good. And then I'm going to show these guys another video, so you can see it is critically important to get things done right? So,
But while you're pulling that up, I've got a hard stop here in 2 minutes, but Suzanne has access to all the images I've created and the videos and those types of things as well to log in if you want to do more editing on that.
Here, that's good. No, I think we're almost pretty much going to wrap this up here. I'm going to show you guys a video that I did real quick, and then we'll
Emily had long-faced challenge.
Okay, here we go. Let me share my screen. Obviously, we could edit this video even more. I just put this together really quick with that audio file you just watched.
Emily had long-faced challenges in sustaining her audience's engagement beyond the first minute of her videos. Disheartened by the low interaction, she made the strategic decision to hone her skills in crafting compelling introductions. By infusing her intros with emotionally engaging elements that sparked curiosity, she observed a remarkable transformation. Her latest video began with a captivating statement that captured and held viewers' attention immediately. The comments section buzzed with enthusiasm, and her viewership soared. New subscribers lauded her distinct style, eagerly awaiting future content. Emily experienced a profound sense of pride and empowerment, recognizing that her introductions now served as a powerful draw for her content. This evolution not only bolstered her confidence as a creator, but also deepened her connection with her audience, underscoring the enduring impact of an engaging introduction. Video never rests. The play button is the most popular call to action on the internet. Begin making impactful videos by downloading.
Okay, so that's just a little bit of it. Obviously, I got to work on getting it out some more. So got to just work on getting this out some more. So then that is the idea behind that. Let's go ahead and put the video. James, we got to upload that video to YouTube or someplace, but I'm just going to choose a video right now and put it in there just to show you guys. You guys have seen the videos. We're going to finish those videos and we'll show you the finished funnel tomorrow, okay? Because it'll be finished tomorrow. So let me take the videos here, take a video, and we're going to take, let's take this one here. We're going to take the Brekfast Lab video and let's click it share. And then I'm going to get the code for it, copy it, and let's go in here. And now let's add the video here. So we're going to add this right below it. We're going to do a column, add a component. We're going to add code. We're going to edit the code, and then we're going to put it right in here. Boom. Okay. All right. And then we're going to save it. All right. Excellent. All right. So then we need more content. So let's go back here. Go back to the platform here. Let's preview that. There you go. This is what the preview looks like. Can you guys see that? So we got the Video Ninja, unlock the secret, watch the video below.
Good morning, AI enthusiasts.
Right, so that's where the video will go, right? And we're going to continue to add content to this page about the book, right? Maybe have some FAQ questions. And by the way, we have all the tools in the platform to do that. And it doesn't take long at all. The hard part is getting started. You understand? We got the domain name, we got the logo, we have some compelling copy. Now I could go in here and I could say, okay, now, a matter of fact, I could go, let's just do something here. Maybe I go right here and I just say, okay, let's just copy that content, and I'm going to add some section down here. Let's add a column. I'm going to add some FAQ questions for AEO, and I'm going to paste in some information here. And my niche is digital marketing. Let's call small to mid-sized businesses, keywords, video marketing. Okay. AI videos. Okay. Videos. Video made simple. Good. And Video Ninja Pro. All right, a geographic area, say global and English. So good, let's generate some FAQ questions. This is going to come up with FAQ questions. You could delete some, you could add some, but this is right in the platform to build the website. So, because FAQ questions, look, what is Video Ninja Pro and how can it enhance my business video marketing strategy? Video Ninja Pro is an advanced AI-powered application designed to simplify video creation, making it easy for small to mid-sized businesses to produce engaging intros and evoking strong emotional connections with viewers. By leveraging AI technology, it streamlines video marketing efforts, allowing you to capture audience interest and boost engagement across global markets, right? How can AI video apps benefit my business? Are there any benefits for small business using video made simple, right? Et cetera, et cetera. Obviously, we could tweak these if we want to, but I'm going to input them right here, and then I'm going to change the background to maybe, let's use white background, okay? There you go. And then I could put question here, put here, and I could say a few questions you may have, right? And then we'll make that bold. And then we're going to take this and we're going to make it the top margin there. Perfect. And the size of it, let's make the size the right size. 32. Make that 32. Okay. Few questions you may have. And then, of course, let's change that. Down. Book now. Okay. Excellent. Let's go on miscellaneous. Let's do the corners. Let's do 20. Make it a little bit round. Okay. And then after the video, we need to do a button. So let's do a button. Right. Or matter of fact, let's just do yeah, let's do a button. No, we won't do a button now. Okay, so there's the video, FAQ questions, and then maybe I probably want some more content. So, Suzanne, you want to show them the images that we created, and then we'll close it out. And then tomorrow at 10, we're going to start off by showing you what we finished, because we will finish this today. We'll get our team to go in and finish FAQ questions, build it. We already got the domain connected. We'll have all the social media posts in a PDF. We'll put so we can show it to you, all the PDF, like all the content. We'll just wrap that up in a PDF, Suzanne, and the images, so we could show them everything that we created with the press release and everything that we created. And we'll show them I'll show them the final landing page tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow we're going to talk about another topic. And if we have any guests here that have any questions, we're going to wrap it up with that. But go ahead and show us some of the images that we made, if you could do that, and then we'll wrap up if there are any questions inside this breakfast here right now. So there you go. Oh yeah, but great stuff. Yeah. So we could use a lot of these images for maybe even the videos, maybe doing a video, right? For the video that James did to make it pop even more, right? So yes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yep. Excellent. Yep. Perfect. Great. Excellent. That's good. Good. And the 30 days of social media, obviously you can create more. You can create 60 days. You can create 90 days. You can create, you can save a ton of time. I guess you could probably fire your social media marketing people that are doing that for your company, really. You could do it on a Sunday afternoon. On a Sunday afternoon, I can get a lot done. I can get videos done. I can get a funnel done. Give us about 4 hours, 3 hours. We could have a whole company launched. That's about what it takes. Okay. So, and you could transfer, you can't transfer the domain to the platform, but you could change the DNS settings, like in GoDaddy, to point to our servers. And by the way, there's no hosting fees associated with our platform. There's no SSL certificates. It's a secure site. It loads faster. It performs faster. It's more responsive than any other platform in the market. It gets your business ranked on ChatGPT instantly. And the platforms start at like $49, $59 a month to get all the tools that you want. If you want to learn more, just reach out to the person that invited you. And you want a demo of the platforms that we're using, you could choose the one that's right for you. And tomorrow we're going to have the same thing, guys. We're going to be here. We're going to try to keep it to an hour in our commitment. Sorry, we went a little bit over today, but this is our AI Breakfast Lab, and we want to thank you very much for joining. And we could take any questions at this point.